Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well. In today's video, I will be sharing 2 quick recipes with you. Without wasting too much of your time, let's get started. And once it's heated up, I'm going in now with the chopped ginger and garlic. I will cook this for roughly 2 minutes and add a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. I'm using the vegetable all-purpose seasoning, but feel free to use any all-purpose seasoning you have in your kitchen. Now I'm going in with the asparagus first because it's also a little bit hard to cook, and after that I will add the green beans as well. I'm cooking this on a low medium heat to allow everything to cook properly. To season the vegetables, I'm going in with a little bit more of the all-purpose seasoning, and I will be adding about a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, or you can use water as well if you don't have apple cider vinegar. That will do the job perfectly well. Now it's time to toast this a little bit and then let it cook for 10 to 12 minutes. If you like your food a little bit spicy, you can use black pepper, or in this case I will be using some chili flakes. So if you don't have it, feel free to add black pepper. Always remember, it's your kitchen, your rules. I'm just guiding you here, and I hope you are enjoying the recipe. If that is the case, give the video a thumbs up, and our asparagus and beans are ready. I will be pairing it with some stir-fry rice and grilled chicken thigh. Feel free to pair this with quinoa, couscous, or some fries, and you can use fish as well with this asparagus and beans. You're going to enjoy that. If you're familiar with this channel, you know I love my food on a spicy side, so I'm going in now with a little bit of black chili sauce, and my dinner is ready right here. If today is your first time coming across my channel and you don't want to miss out on these delicious recipes, kindly subscribe and make sure your notification bell is on. That right there is for you guys. To start, I'll heat up my oil, adding a teaspoon of rosemary and a teaspoon of garlic powder. Heat it up 3 minutes on a low medium heat, and I will add my all-purpose tomato sauce, about a medium bowl, and I'll stir everything nicely. The good thing about this all-purpose tomato sauce or tomato stew, that will allow you to make your jollof rice so quickly, because you don't have to take time to cook all the fresh blended ingredients. Is already done, so everything from here is going to go super quick. You can use the all-purpose stew as well for your soups. Is going to be great and quick as well. I just added 350 milliliter of water. Bring it to a boil, and then I'm going in now with my 4 washed cups of rice. Stir gently and make sure you check here if you need a little bit of salt. If you have children, I'm sure you're not going to put too much heat in your tomato sauce. When I say heat, I mean pepper. So I didn't add too much pepper when I was making the sauce. So if I'm making any meals that need that, I just use the pepper just to bring that heat up. And I went in with 2 tablespoons of paprika and a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, because the tomato sauce is already well seasoned, so that is just perfect. Now I let this cook for 20 minutes and it's time to add the vegetables, because when your rice is pretty much cooked, that's when you go in with your vegetables, especially if they are already quite soft. You don't want everything to be mashed up, so add it last minute. Okay, if you're enjoying the video so far, kindly give it a thumbs up and keep watching. It's time now to add the chicken breast. You can use beef as well if you want. You can use a foil or a parchment paper to trap the steam in order for the rice to cook extremely soft. Okay, so I'm going to do that now and leave it here for 15 to 18 minutes and check it out. So let's quickly flip this. That's it. You can see the rice is super soft and extremely fluffy. I use basmati rice to make my jollof rice. So if you want the same result, why not? Give it a try using basmati rice and let me know in the comment section what you think. And this is the quickest way to cook your jollof rice. I'm sure your family will love it, your friends as well. So ready, and feel free to add different vegetables if you wish to, but peas, carrots, and also green beans are my favorites when I'm making my jollof rice with vegetables. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Take care for now. Bye. Au revoir.